you for tuning in with Chlorine King. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. If you need any help with your business, then join my Patreon, links below, where you will improve your business and get exclusive discounts with my partners in the industry. Check out the sponsors for this video. Skimmer will revolutionize the efficiency of your business and communication for your clients all in one modern and easy to use app. With everything you need to run your pool business with software that rocks, click the link below to learn more. Riptide Pool Vacuum Systems will allow you to service more pools per day and feel more refreshed at the end of it. With the blow-off proof bags, the most powerful vac head, awesome transport rack, and so much more, check out the link below. Now, let's get to the video. What's up everybody, Chlorine King here. I'm here at a pool. I'm gonna take this Aqualink automation system and program in a pool light. So first thing I like to do, if I'm servicing the pool for the first time and having to do stuff, I like to take this faceplate and knock this out. And the reason why, I get to plug in my service controller. If you don't have one, contact your Janie rep and they'll get you one. So I plug that in, and now I can basically do whatever I want with the pool. It plugs in and boots up. So the first thing we got to do is label the auxiliary. So go to System and go to Menu. Now in this situation, auxiliary 1 is the light, so we're going to go down to System Setup, hit Menu, which is also your Enter key, and go to Label Auxiliary. I apologize, I got the sun behind me. So again, the light is auxiliary 1. So we're going to go down to Light Labels. Now in this situation, the bubbler light, the pool light, the spa light are all tied in together. So we're just going to label a general light name. So we're going to go down to the L's. And go, oh, I just accidentally hit Menu. So we got to go back to Light, Menu, and scroll down to the L's. My knuckle entered it on patio light. See, we all mess up. No one's perfect, right? So we're just going to go to Light, hit Select. So now we got the auxiliary 1 labeled light, which is what we want. So let's go hit back. Now you guys can do this with basically any auxiliary product, a light, a blower, whatnot. So now we're going to scroll down to colored lights there. Go hit select. Now this pool has IntelliBrights. So we're going to go down, type in IntelliBright, and then hit continue, and then assign it to the light auxiliary, and then you'll see IB pop up, which is what you want. So now we should be set up to turn on the lights and pick colors. So what we're going to go back to is the main menu, hit equipment on off. Then we're going to go down to light. And then we're going to pick blue. You hear the box go flipping the relays on and off. Now we go over to the pool. Relay still clicking. Wait for it. Now we got that blue we picked in the pool, in the spa, and also the bubbler light. So one thing I want to show you guys too is how to put a schedule for the pool light. So what we want to do is go down to, well, let's go back to the main screen and go to Menu. Then you want to go to Program, hit Select. Now we want to go down to the light, hit Select. Now we're going to select Add Program since there's not one existing. And now we basically set our times for when we want the lights to come on. We just select over, and then we'll shut this off at, say, 11 o'clock tonight. And then all days. And there you go. So now you see the schedule populate in the light menu. And so that is how you set a schedule for a pool light, or any auxiliary device such as a blower, what have you, through the Aqualink system and the One Touch. That is how you assign an auxiliary to a product, and in this case the lights, and then also how to select the light for the automation to know which light it is. So stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day, everyone.